Alright, welcome back guys. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day today. It's also warm. It's about 60 degrees outside, so I did take advantage of that and I wheeled out the 88 CRX outside and got it all pressure washed and degreased as best I could for that first initial wash. It is now ready to start sanding on it, and hopefully this sanding process will go pretty quickly. That way I can throw some primer and paint on here and get this engine bay all cleaned up so we can start reassembling it. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into sanding this down and hopefully get it knocked out. So this is a thin primer. It goes on real smooth, and that's kind of what I was looking for because I did not want to have to sand down that high build primer. There's really no need for it because this is just an engine bay, so I'm not going to have to block anything down, and I will be able to just spray paint right over on top of this as long as I do it within 24 or 48 hours. It's pretty cool outside, so I should have plenty of time as long as I'm able to work it into my schedule. But even if I can't, I will just scuff up the surface with like a red scuff pad, and that should be good enough for the paint to adhere. 3 days of hard work has paid off. The engine bay is painted and clear coated. I'm completely done with this part of the project here. This was really the hardest part because there's just so much that goes into getting this engine bay prepped for paint. You've got to just remove everything, mask it all up, sand it, clean it. It's just it takes a lot of time. It really probably doesn't play out on camera with the amount of time it takes to get this ready. And you got to mask off the garage, get all of your paint supplies and all that together. It's just a lot of work. I'm just happy to be done with the hard part here because whenever you start putting it together, it really comes together fast. So the next thing I'm going to be doing on this car is just getting all the masking off. I probably won't show that on camera because it's just pulling the masking off, no big deal. And I will be pushing the green CRX in here and pulling the B18C Type R swap out of there, starting to get to work on that because that engine is going to be going in this car and I can't wait. So stay tuned and we'll keep moving forward on this car.